Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. We're still coming live from the aftermath Back to the City Festival. Spokile, calling inside this jabulile but when first the review Back to the City Festival, especially ngama performances. So ngithe ngibize uzwa architect oyena umuntu olandela hip hop, oyena we culture, now we artist ngokwakhe. So ngifuna sezi review la Back to the City because nginama complain amaningi nama questions bewenze into eningi ezingalindelanga izolo but ke ngizointroduce yena utrends wakhe.
Ngiyaphila mfethu ngiyabonga kuba khona kwi channel Speaker Nawe uzoarchitect lona sanibonani.
So Back to the City izolo festival mhlawumbe nje siqale ngo-overall ibinjani Back to the City izolo ube honest nje.
Hayi mfethu ibibuhlungu angifuna uqabela manga sivike ngegelihle yabo ukufika the vibe was nice kodwa mfethu imvula akasingaqamba manga ubonile mfethu nawe isilimazile
imvula inithi
for like 3-4 hours solid.
And what do you think about the turnout yazolo like
the turnout was for me ngibone less mfethu
compared to last
year ngibone less mfethu ngifuna uqamba.
Yeah, but beside the issues that they khona ke like akesikhuluma ngama performance like ukhona umuntu obe highlight yakhe izolo
uLophe be highlight angwangababala highlight yami yabo Lophe Fiasco ubani mfethu ubani Questa enjoy ama performance akhe ubani umunye mfethu bakhona mfethu abantu ba enjoy le mfethu ubani usibabukile abanye manje PTA moment.
PTA moment.
Mesihlangene yogene. Ubani umuntu? Ngilibale kodwa nje labo ngibakhulula manje. Enjoy la performance mina mfethu kakhulu.
And kulama new kids afika like izolo like there's someone engibone perform I think it was for the first time. What do you think about the performance ka Baby Days?
Ibe intswembu actually wakukhumbuza omunye umuntu bentswembu performance ya Baby Days bengithuke mina bengiqala imibuzo mfana ngawe Sifisi yabo mina bengekho aware of yena yabo wakukhuluma naye ngaye I know bro we are performing nami angimuza uthini mina mqondi ukuthi uthini kodwa nje i-performance yakhe ngibambile nayo
and about impinje ka Space okay
Kid ungcono i-performance compared to last year
last year
ngiyithanda la performance yakhe.
I think this will be relaxing.
I think siyafunda perform. I think bese perform more phela through album so ngibone the same performance ingcono mina improving.
Mhlambe ke maybe kula ma performance ama legend ade ikhona la khaya khona iTKZee bekhona umduli yathi ithini comment yakho
ngithandile wonke mfethu ngithandile kakhulu ngathande wonke from iTKZee be surprise act kumina bismayilindela
ngekho
post bayibulele performance yabo mfethu i-energy basilethela abashala ama hits ethu umduo irazo mfethu uyazi uMduo bese realize ukuthi unama hits ngempela uMduo wodwa njengale yathema lokho ngileyathema unama hits wodwa
so but I feel like umuntu ngathi unama hits more than anyone okwakhe because uphinde ukuproduce nakwezinye ingoma zabantu so I feel like uMduo
nje into yakhe imine weight no ngiyavumelana nawe mfethu and ke neyatuks bemnandi perform ingoma ituks ngala although ingoma ithanda lona nje uzoyiperform.
And when it's coming to headliner ke show what do you think about the performance ka Lophe Fiasco?
Master Lophe uza umuntu writing back
like maybe wamithile ama expectations akho
mina we beyond wamithile and uye beyond mfethu ngobani ngizokutshela wayo uqala wesikhathi uperform he had the longest performance bengicabanga wonke ama act engwazi was more than 1 hour. 2 ubalansisile kamnandi ingoma lezi ze-commercial abantu abazi ngazo nalezi underground khona ingoma engalindele uzoyiperform e-underground wokuqala le single yakhe substance over style bengingeke lo ngoma iphi-2 weeks back cabanga wayiperform kuyo number 3 ingoma ayiperformile ngayilindele kodwa iperforma i-mural fethu that was a very hardcore song and I was like I know Lophe bra you went above and beyond and I was grateful. He had fun.
So I number the performance ya Lophe because I think bengalinde thuzo perform lezi ngoma zama hit song nami because ngiyamazi ukuthi he can go
deep baningi futhi yazi baningi ngathi bona bebe kanjalo webafu bebangitshela ukuthi like uzoba commercial yabo but njengoba ibalance ngiyithandile and I feel like enye into engiyibonile I feel like abanye abantu kade bengamazi abathuke kakhulu abe introduced again
maybe ama streams after ishow
azonyuka even abanye abamaziyo be hip hop akade bengamlandeli babone kanje nje ngihambe bese uthi I know wow ngakhona ingoma bengayi kanje so I feel like mina basically nayo benefited
because
ukhulile ngathi i-audience yakhe expanded
nami i-performance yaluphi ngiyona enjoy
I was worth the wait from indlela imvula esinethe ngayo ukuthi beningekho awudle
but ayizange sanithe siphefumule luphi
so azange net of which was also good
and so before Zivala because we speak now senthani iqiniso like akhona ama performance akade bad like what do you think about the performance akade bad
name and shame okay
ufunza amagama like
name and shame
yipi nje performance akade bad
usikale number 2 bese siyakwana esibile engazange ithanda angiqale ngalo number 2 angithandanga iperformance le ya Maclera eletha lomjita lo wani uzigi fox I feel like it's too long preparation isikhathi isidlile that's why I ngoba ngithi be better is like i-vibe yabo cha but isikhathi baphuma kwezo mhlambe 5 ngibona isikhathi besidle ngoba
phinde baba ne setup maybe
15 minutes so that's like 20 something minutes 30 minutes so angiyithanda le performance number 2 but number 1 ewonke ama performance kumele lento ngisho i-performance bethu ya Big Zulu ayingeke ngithi sibulele isikhathi ufike uBig Zulu letha uqala ama hits akho performance late uqala wafika waperform ama freestyle ajolo kwenza yayizwa leyo nto and then emva lokho ke wase wafaka abantu esingabazi okay akugrand promoter ama artist akhe yabo but I feel like lapha from me bekhona baphutha adenze abawa correct piece phambi wethu
kahle basically bebengekho prepared is like
all
but decide stage
so manje leyo nto vethu I feel like for me vethu given ukuthi abantu babhig kanjani le nto isimoshile isikhathi yabo
and sekhona ongayidluliphi stage sit back to this
mina ngithathe kanjani not because angibagxeki kodwa sesisho into phela enze phambi wethu lento yazi mokhumbulisa kahle baf ideally name remember Lupe as a perform bekhala ngesikhathi imdidisi bekhala ngesikhathi saLupe because I'm like asiboshile nje bona isikhathi
baningi abantu abamosha isikhathi before
when imaphi awakho ngathi like besides lo two khona ama performance ngathi
adinga angabonanga kahle no eka Big Zulu nami ngisho I understand la ngijole kumbone performer but I feel like I perform ama hit song akhe even album akhe liphuma Friday perform azange nje introduce like it's just like bese stage nje just to show
up to show up that's what I feel and then into ungene ngesikhathi engafanele ngaso asisikhulumi lo
I think bashaya kakhulu ama time slots this time because abantu abaningi bebengena ngapha napha so bekuyona issue but kumina abantu abama highlights uMT always performing ama hit song because you understand the crowd back to the city une experience so aka introducing new music back to the city
one of our best performers
uhleze shaya ingoma le so MT P.O performile yena u Risk like ushaya ingoma yodwa wahamba like angiunderstandanga like I performance ya Risk na ayizange yenze sense omunye umuntu operforme lo words performe
yes words
bifangene naye uZulu Mepe no Ken Kid bahlanga nesiperformance yabo ngobuke ukuthi because qale yaZulu Make ofaka Ken Kid and then later no I think uZulu Make no
so but overall I feel like bethu mina the pain is kuyona kwimvula yabo I feel like at the end of the day it was worth it uLupe ndalo uLupe MT yawanje after uLupe nje uLupe MT Questa yawanje lawo bantu ophithe moment bonke labo benze ayikwa worth it otherwise
it was worth it.
This was the most challenging this was the most challenging Back to the City
festival so manga was attended before
I think 3 more before
it was my second time.
We like 3 more. We done about 3 more.
So judging from me, in Rizolo, are you going back to the City Festival next year?
I don't know. No, but I think we're gonna go back. I think we'll go back and we just need to be more prepared. We need umbrellas. Next time, still my brother.
And you also need to go to VIP.
Yeah.
Because that's the thing about the VIP being a native. So that is necessary.
Let's just get it. Let's just get it. VIP. I want to say,
I'm Bulana. I deal. But me and I'm here to travel to get to the city because when we are coming from Pepe.
Yes, come on.
Just for you because
there was
I'm coming from Eastern Cape.
Hey, so
12 hours for you to get to the city.
Imagine.
Let's go to performance of an epic Zugan. They tell about the stage like.
It's very pissing off, but I hope as we improve kumaphutha abo, and I'm hoping as we improve kumaphutha abo okunye kubakuhlele mfethu. And yeah man, mabayihlele into zabo yabo ngiyabathemba vele abantu anyways nje sinayo lapho siyabonga umsebenzi abawenzayo.
But before Zvala, what do you think about his surprising it cooking something American artists before?
I also don't. Oh yes, that's another thing. Angithandi news let's not surprise esingawazi. Angiphassisi.
Yeah, no. Akekho umuntu to be excited about that guy.
Okay, baba yazi zolo performance about abapheshe esingabazi. Uking lo umsho King Savage khona omunye owadengele before ubamfethu. Kodwa mhlambe 2 or 3 abantu esingabazi. Yabo. Lord I feel like hey manje angifuna ukwenza kodwa I feel like mina ama sponsors athatha since we Hennessy, right? Which is based in the US, I feel like they're taking part of abantu babo bazoba ngathi as part of the backing.
So bazoba khulisela ibrand yabo ngathi
ngwa kanjalo kodwa yephunini yami le.
Yo, I know King something no I.
Ubasena wakhipha ama chain and uyabona ukuthi
so before sesivala maybe another issue esingayimentionanga because I think yona into ebe ne-impact enkulu kakhulu lise ishow lekade ikhona la. What do you think abantu be-Castle Light no big concert ukuthi benze i-concert ka-Travis Scott on the same day Back to the City? I feel like bekuyi-attack leyana.
Yeah, I mean I feel like bebethatha amathuba bewosomathuba ngoba bayazi vele ukuthi usuku le-Back to the City. No, we are all the way back to this place. It takes a year in advance to announce.
But it's like Travis Scott now. Where will it choose the like?
Fine. Assisi uthi kondeneke okay ayikiki. Kodwa uthi aqondananga it was an attack.
Yeah,
because straight up. Ngeke qondane brand.
Because ama 2K ayi.
Yabo agcwele khona ngalelo
agcwele ngalabubu Travis Scott because wona abantu ababa big kakhulu.
Maybe that's why mhlawumbe ngenze ne Back to the City abantu bengagcwele kakhulu. Could it be?
Abantu bekumele be decide. And abantu befuna ukuya ngapha ama girlfriend befuna ukuya ngapha. It was a bigger show. Be more appealing in ama sponsors amaningi nalo Castle Light. We know when it's come to Castle Light, when it's come to ama show. They pay. So I think you need in the affect here kakhulu Back to the City part. Pull up hill about
and we pulled up in Bella. You saw, bro. We pulled up.
Yeah.
We sold out bars. Was like one in Hennessy by Dicey. We pulled up. But hopefully next year's gonna be bigger, man.
Yeah.
I trust it. Well.
Nice. Stay back. Thanks for your review. So can this for another opinion that we speak now. No concept thing because
we appreciate.
Sinabahlazi be hip hop la we show.
Sikhona besibonga kakhulu kuma babukeli nabalandeli bespeaker nawe uzakhitheni ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Awe sekhona ku Twitter @speaker now, Instagram @speaker nawe.
Sikhona impela.
Away we out.
Peace.